In front of me is OPPO A15s, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound. So at first, just open your phone dialer, tap on More icon, and go to Settings. Here you will notice voicemail, so smoothly picker, and go to Notifications. And at ringtone, you can smoothly change the voicemail notification sound, so just pick the one that you would like to apply. For example, this one. Let's go back, and as you can see, it has been already applied. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.